Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth. And today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hopefully you guys are doing good. Thank you, Joey. Thank you, Joni, both of you, for being here. Patty, what's going on? I know you're on the phone with our wife. So right now we are seeing quite a move here off the non-farm payrolls move, but we're giving some of that back right now. Looks like we are heading back down to the VWAP here. And looks like we do have Johnny in the trade right now, and he might be TPing here any second now. All right, he TP'd. Good job, Johnny. All right, yeah, I had a little mishap with Johnny overnight. I updated the code already this morning, but it seems like we were in a trade. I guess the timing got, something happened. The code was corrupted, so he ended up taking a bunch of trades that he wasn't supposed to take last night. But it's all fixed now, so his P&L might look a little lower than it did yesterday, but complete mishap on the code. And this is why you forward test on a prop account and not with real live capital. But he's all fixed now, and he should be in good shape for the rest of the day. He is running four different strategies he's running right now. He's running 2 Nasdaq strategies, 1 gold strategy, 1 Bitcoin strategy, believe it or not. So we're going to monitor those 4 today, and we're going to try to do a little trading ourselves as well, a little manual, old-fashioned trading. We'll see how that plays out. Right now, we do have this level here that I'm watching as resistance at 30,357. And if we do manage to resist from that level, we've got some TP levels down here that look pretty interesting still here at 29,770, 29,750. We still got those levels down there. But if the market does decide to go higher right now, we could see a pop up to 30,472. So we're going to have to see which direction makes more sense this morning, which one has a little bit more volume behind it. And we'll go from there. Market opens up right now in 30 seconds, guys. So I won't take up too much of your time. Just want to make sure we get both the NQ and the ES up here, just so we can keep an eye on both. And yeah, we'll go from there. Let's see what else we got cooking here. RS1 is looking for this one's dumping. We've got our BTC. Dumping. Looks like the market is dumping right now. We've got a dumperoni and cheese on our hands. Oh, wow, yeah, dumperoni and cheese. We've got dumperonis, diamonds, divergence. Yeah, we're gonna move down. Bitcoin's getting a move down too. I think we might have TP'd on Bitcoin now. Might have TP'd on Bitcoin already. Yeah, we TP'd on Bitcoin. That was good. We had a long open on Bitcoin. We ended up closing that trade. We ended up closing that trade this morning at 61,800. Market's now back down to 61.5. That was good. It's pretty good. We managed to make 140% on that trade. That's not bad. All right, cool. Let's see if we find any more. We need gold. Gold is in a long trade right now. Looks like Johnny's in a long gold trade right now. It's pretty interesting. We'll look at that in one moment. Is he in a long gold trade? Just gotta confirm. You never know with these bots. Yeah, he is in a long gold trade. He very much is in a long gold trade. That's awesome. I'll show you guys that. Yeah, Johnny. Good job, Johnny. Yeah, he's in a long gold trade right now. His TP just got top ticked right there. Hopefully he comes back and hit the 41.35 on that. and then he'll be okay on that. All right, let's take a look at the NQ here. What is she doing? What are we doing NQ? You're gonna get that bounce here NQ off this move. Let's see how the delta on that was. Okay. Stay patient here for a little bit, guys. I don't think we have any more news for the rest of the day, so we should be all right. TP got hit there for good old Johnny. Johnny be good. Nice, Johnny. Congrats. Congrats, good boy. Johnny's a beast. Okay. Keep our eyes on the prizes. Okay. All right, so right now we are getting pretty strong moves still to the downside. I'm trying to keep my eyes open on different options, but I don't have a clear path on her just yet. There really is no direction right now for where I think she might go next. The only thing I have as a possible move right now to, let me see. I really don't know. I really don't know. It's gonna be a tough one. Market already took back all that news candle. I think now if she pumps, she could rip up to the 470s. That's what I'm thinking. She might start ripping up to the 470s. Johnny might get in trade here in a little bit. Babe, you might want to enter a long here soon. I'll tell you, okay?
Okay. How to get ready for a long?
Actually, it looks pretty good. It's a very obvious long, so that's why it could be wrong, but you never know.
By the way, the people doing the graffiti thing on the grass, that was AT&T.
AT&T?
Yep. We're on a break.
What? What'd you say?
On YouTube it says you're the sign break or...
Oh, it still says that?
Yeah.
Sorry. We're on the wrong, yeah, we're on the wrong chart. Okay. The longs look good right now, babe. You guys want to try this long?
Yeah.
Go long? Yeah.
Alright, go long, Patty.
You guys may get a little move here.
Heard me, Patty?
Yeah, put your stop at 56.
Put your stop at 56.
Yeah, 30, 56.
Oh, put your stop at 56, 30, 56.
Yeah. Let's see. I hope this is not a. Let's just hope this is not a.
What's the on today?
It's not a trap. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it's not.
Excuse me. He hasn't said it yet. Did you say our TP?
No, I'm about to tell you right now. Put your TP at 250.
Put TP at 250.
Hopefully you hit. And it's coming right back down. That's what I knew was gonna happen. It's gonna be one of those days.
I'm not gonna lie, these jazz songs are kind of jamming.
Yeah, they relax me a lot. Yeah, Johnny's in a trade long right now.
Oh, sorry, Luna. Scared me.
Johnny is long and strong at the moment. See if we can get a move up to 250. What's up, Jose Gonzalez? We got Carter Shellac in the house. Greg M. What's up, brother? No face cam? Oh, yeah, well, we're good. We're good now. Yeah, that was a mistake on my part.
Sorry.
coming right back down.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You're being messy today.
Who's that? The NQ?
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
she's
what I'm
disgusting.
talking about.
She's already starting her stuff already. Watch, yeah,
really?
exactly,
Okay.
exactly. That's exactly what I foresaw. It's so funny.
Really,
Yeah,
this
with
is
this
so
kind of
funny.
stuff that she's pulling. That's as dirty as anything. Okay.
I'm like, let me catch her in the hood.
Yeah, and I guarantee you she'll come right back up.
Exactly. Throw them hands.
She'll come right back up.
Matter of fact, I get to go throw hands on her too.
Mm-hmm. I'll let you know if I see a move right back up.
Yeah. I'm surprised you didn't put the stop at like the 960s.
It's, you know what,
Big risk.
it's not that it's a big risk. We're in a downtrend, so the chances of us being wrong on this move, especially that's this close to 930,
Yeah.
it's pretty high. So I didn't want the stop loss to be too big for you guys where you couldn't recover. But it is what it is. We'll just re-enter with 2 contracts if it goes back in our direction.
Okay.
Right now, shorts are looking stronger. Looks like that was a trap. Could have been a trap. We'll see. That was filthy. Yeah, operating around a VWAP is a very difficult thing to do. Oh, to be honest with you, ES is strong as anything now. ES is real strong right now, so this long here might actually end up working out. Go along with 2.
Patty, go along with 2.
Stop loss at that stop loss at go to stop loss at 30, 28, whatever that is.
30, 28, you said?
28, yeah, 28 should be your stop loss.
Okay, go to 28 for stop.
And TP at 250. Put it a little bit before 250. Put it like at 240 just to be safe.
P at 240 just in case.
And if you're wrong here, then it's all good, man. She's just gonna be one of those Karens today.
Huh, I just realized I only put 1.
That's all right. ES is ripping right now. Doing really nice. Hopefully the NQ catches up.
Can I do my arm, please? Thank you.
Um,
Yeah, for real. Patty's gonna say she's gonna make a soundtrack saying push mother effer push.
push mother effer push. That would be definitely a banger. That would be a
Yeah.
banger.
She's gonna put it on Spotify for all the traders.
Oh, word, that would be good. 255, 6.
Mm-mm-mm.
118. Okay, buyers are coming through. You feel spicy today, babe, or you just want to take your profits?
What does that mean?
Do you want to leave one running?
Sure.
All
I'm
right.
gonna do that anyways, honestly.
All right, so then put your one stop loss at,
No,
put one
don't-
take profit at
don't-
240.
Don't take the profit. She's asking me. If I
No,
wanna do
take
spicy.
take one at 240,
Yeah.
and then take your other TP at 320.
320. Okay.
So one at 240
One at
and
320.
one at 320.
Okay. Just did. Oh, you want to do that too? Oh, Patty's also spastic.
You're spicy today, Patty? You guys are spicy.
I'm trying to get punched in the face.
Hopefully we're not being. Hopefully the spiciness doesn't act up the acid reflux. Hopefully it's good for us. Come on, spiciness. Come on, spiciness. Looking for ES long, says Joey. That's a good idea, man. The ES is ripping right now. Johnny was in decent profits a second ago, but she's chopping now. Bitcoin's still ripping, looking for 62,000 now. Wow, Robinhood ripped through the stratosphere. Holy smokes. Started at 82.
Oh my gosh.
Once it hits 100, I think I'm gonna get out.
That's great. Sorry, I'm sorry, I'm yawning.
Come on, NQ. Stop your wackiness. Just start doing what the ES is doing. Let's take a quick look at what the overall market is doing here, because right now, yesterday I from what I hear, Meta had a big day yesterday. Today she's giving some of it back. Tesla's giving some back. Right now everything's pretty much flat. Apple's up big. They're trying to import Chinese chips, I heard Apple is, and that would bring their bottom line up pretty high. MOAS right now on the Mag 7 to the downside. That's not looking good for my longs.
I have a question.
SpaceX, are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Not looking too good.
Tomorrow's July
NVIDIA
3rd.
strong. Yeah.
Are you gonna trade tomorrow? Because usually during holidays it's kind of risky.
No, probably not. I think the markets are going to be kind of dead. Maybe I'll come in the pre-market for a little bit, but probably not. Maybe I'll do London, because London shouldn't really have an impact because there's no holiday there. But we don't know. I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know. Bitcoin is ripping right now. She caught a lot of people sleeping down here. I went long, but I already took profits too soon. Oil is also on the up and up. Gold right now is both lagging. YM right now also ripping to the upside. NQ is the only one that's got issues. She's schizophrenic. What's up, baby?
No, I'm talking smack to.
Oh, you're talking smack to the NQ too?
Because I just got this feeling that she's gonna start
Yeah.
being messy and go sideways.
Johnny's talking smack to her too. He's like beep boop beep boop boop boop. Can I compute beep boop? Come on, Johnny, you got this, bro.
Help me with my husband.
You got this, bro. Johnny's gonna make some money today. So he's gonna make up for those overnight hiccups. Trade Asia session, yeah, we might. What's up, Mo? How you doing, man? Demand at 30,173. Oh. That's pretty cool.
I was gonna say, I think Lewis uses Claude sometimes. I don't know
Thank you.
exactly.
Whoosh.
Ask ChatGPT to
Whoosh, thank you.
Because I think it created a song for Diddy, not Diddy, what's his name? 50 Cent, right?
What happened?
Remember?
Come on, Johnny.
ChatGPT made music in the voice of 50 Cent, I think it was.
ChatGPT did?
Good. Or Jay-Z,
Or AI? I mean, it created a lot of songs for Drake, for 50, for and better stuff than they've ever put out too.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
It's so funny.
Guys, hit the likes if you wouldn't mind, nice and early. If we can get the likes in, that would be something spectacular out of this world.
Please feel bad for us. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, have pity on us, guys. Have pity on us. So I'm gonna share, I'm gonna share a story with you guys that I heard this morning while scrolling through social media while I'm doing my husbandly chores around the house. You know, so there's a talk show. Somebody called in, and the husband wrote in or called in or something like that to the host for some advice. And I already know what I would do, but I want to hear what my wife says about this, and I want to hear what you guys have to say about this. So there's a husband who calls in and says he's been married to his wife for over 20 years. His wife recently got diagnosed with some kind of cancer, but it was caught very early. But it was a scare. It was a big shock, you know, to the family and to her and to him, and obviously it was a big scare. But luckily, it was caught so early that it was able to be taken care of pretty much, you know, without really any big complications. But it did raise a lot of alarm bells in the wife's mind about, you know, like we haven't really enjoyed our lives. We haven't really lived and done things that we have on our bucket list. So they started traveling. They went all over the, you know, kind of bucket list destinations. They Spain, Portugal, Caribbean islands, like all over, right? They just started taking vacation after vacation. And so, you know, the husband is like, you know, this is not a bad idea. This is stuff that we should do. And they were spending money. And because you never know, life is short. You never know when it's, you know, time to stop living and start dying. And so they're enjoying themselves. And one day she comes and she says to the husband, the next thing I would like is a hall pass. So I don't know if you guys know what a hall pass is, but a hall pass is when the wife came to him and says, I want to be able to sleep with someone else. And I want a hall pass to not get in trouble for it. You know, is that something that you're comfortable with? Because life is too short. I want to be able to, you know, get the most out of it or whatever the case may be. And the husband was like, what? Like, you know, like that's where I draw the line. Like, there's, why would you want to do that to our marriage? And you know, she basically said like, well, you know, you don't know what I went through. You know, life is so short, and you know, you just don't want to die with any regrets. And you know, there's somebody at work that's going to be retiring soon, and he's going to be leaving and going to leaving the company, going somewhere else. So I'll never see him again. And you know, with your permission, I'd like to have a one-night stand with the guy. So his reaction was kind of like, you know, shocked. Like, how could you ever ask me that? Like, what would drive you to say something like that? And he was like, absolutely not. Like, that's not something I'm comfortable with. And she was like, well, I was trying to be polite by asking you, but whether you like it or not. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, continue stories.
Yeah, so you said, she said, whether you like it or not, I'm still going to do it. And I'm still going to have it. I just wanted to include you then in case, you know, you had any questions about, you know, like, you know, what it is that I plan on doing and things like that. But since you're not on board with it, I'm just not going to tell you. I'll tell you about it after it's done. And you can ask me any questions you want after that, but I'm not going to say anything to you before that. So the husband is kind of like at a loss of words and not knowing what to do. He's like, we've been married for 20 years. Like, why would she throw our marriage away like this? And I don't never be able to see her the same. And so he calls in asking for advice. Now, I know what I would do. I know exactly what I would do. I know what Colin would do. But what do you think about that, babe? I mean, you know what's funny is that this story is not uncommon because I actually have a friend who this exact scenario happened to. And she didn't have an affair with someone else, but she basically told him the same thing. Like, I want to be able to explore more options since, you know, she was diagnosed with cancer. She survived. Johnny, good job, buddy. Johnny made some money on that.
That's good.
She's like, I want to explore more options. And they ended up getting a divorce because of it, because she was on some like, oh, I want to, you know, do all these other things. And she ended up hooking up with someone else anyway, you know, very shortly after their divorce, or who knows if before. But what I'm saying is, like, this is really not an uncommon thing that happens to couples where someone has a near-death experience and then they're like, wanting to do all these things that probably don't benefit their marriage, but more very selfish. Now, what do you think about that, babe, about that scenario? Like, is that something that if you were the husband, how would you react? Or if you were the wife, is that something that would ever cross your mind?
No, it wouldn't cross my mind.
Okay, well, we got that one off
If
the
I
list.
married you, it's because I want to be with you.
Yeah. Move your other entry to break even.
Oh, okay. How do you move your stop to break even?
And then let the other one roll. Tootsie roll.
Personally, I just think it was I think she had intentions before she was even diagnosed with anything.
Mm-hmm.
Because for you to even think that means you had intentions before that.
So you mean you can't turn a hoe into a housewife, is what you're saying?
Basically.
Mm-hmm.
So, I just think that she wanted to make a sob story of like.
Oh, it's because I was dying.
It's just your excuse, and this is what I'm saying about excuses. Like they're all meaningless. No, I just think she had intentions before that. She just wanted to exaggerate it because of her cancer.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not saying that she didn't have it, but I'm
Yeah.
just saying she wanted to exaggerate it because of it. No, her intentions was to never be faithful.
Yeah.
Because if you really love that person you're with, your other thoughts about someone else is not crossing your mind.
This happens to a lot of couples who think that swinging is going to be fun. I saw he was like a famous somebody. I don't know if he was a famous actor or a famous athlete who actually thought it'd be a good idea to go swing with his wife, and then he saw his wife getting swinged on by some random dude, and he never saw her the same again, and it ruined their marriage. Like it was crazy. So for her to introduce this into their marriage, I don't think the cancer is is gone. I think she's the cancer, and I think he's gonna need to remove her before it kills him, because I think that is the worst thing you could ever introduce. It's bad enough to have an affair. Like I'm not condoning it. No one would like to be cheated on. Obviously that's horrible, but to do it purposely, like there's a difference between murder in the first degree and murder in the second degree, because it's meditated. It's you planned it out. Like it was something that you planned way ahead of time. So those people get the most severe penalty. But if you killed somebody by accident, like vehicular manslaughter, or it was an accident at work or something, those people get off. So I mean, you can have an affair by accident, I guess you could say, somehow, if like you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. But if you planned it and you actually went through with it, like I think that's 100% worse.
It's a different kind of level. That to me is like, I will be mad inside, but I'm not showing it to that person. I'm just like, divorce papers right there. Like I'm done. Yeah.
And I mean, there isn't really a like, oh, I accidentally had sex with someone. I mean, that's wrong to say, but let's just say you went somewhere with your girlfriends or guy friends and you get obliterated drunk or something, and somebody convinces you to do something really dumb. It could be considered cheating. I mean, that is bad, but it's not as bad as like I'm sober minded right now and I'm planning this to do because I'm bored.
The second one, you shouldn't put yourself in that kind of a situation.
Yeah, you should never put yourself in that position. You're right about that.
Because
those things can happen.
But she still says, she's like, well, I'm going to do it whether you like it or not.
Yeah, she said, I'm going to do it whether you like it or not. That was a low blow.
That would have hurt.
Oh, it gets better. It gets better. She shared this with her girlfriend, and a girlfriend says that your husband is so inconsiderate. He has no idea what you went through. First of all, sharing this with your friend. Oh man, she hates his wife. I mean, she hates her husband.
No. The friend hates that friend that had cancer, because a real friend wouldn't
say that to them.
I don't think you should do that. I mean.
Mm-hmm.
My goodness.
Yeah, this is a crazy world we live in. So if you guys have a partner that's with you, maybe it's not the perfect partner, maybe they're not, the best looking or wealthiest, but at least they're not coming to you with these kinds of crazy ideas about like.
That's crazy.
That is something else, right?
Like that too. Like I heard once, and this was on.
That's why I stay single.
It was these. Remember that podcast I told you about where they just bring very promiscuous girls, like OnlyFans?
Isn't that? I mean, Khan likes that podcast. Isn't the Whatever podcast? Yeah, I think Khan likes that one.
One of the girls.
Khan was on there once.
And this will make me question humanity for the future. She said that she got a client. The client was a husband, and the wife had cancer, and she wanted her husband to basically have intercourse with other people before she died, or something.
The wife wanted the husband to have sex with other girls?
Yeah, before she died from cancer.
Uh-huh.
And I'm thinking in my head, like, what? Like, are you for real?
Yeah.
Like, what kind of a wife would want their husband to have intercourse
while she's still alive?
Yeah, that she feels bad because she can't have it with him because she has cancer. So she wants him to get pleasure from other people, but just pleasure.
Well, sometimes people in those positions, you know, they tell their husband what I'm telling their husband, like, as long as I don't find out about it. Kind of like the mob wives also do the same thing. The mob, you ever seen like the mob wives? Like, yeah, I'm a mob wife, you know, and I know he cheats on me, but as long as I don't find out about it. It's kind of like what you sign up for when you're like a mob wife.
Yeah, it's just sad.
Yeah.
It's like, no. Like,
she's a cuck. Joey says she's a cuck.
Babe, if I'm on my deathbed, no.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Even not on my deathbed.
Yeah, no.
Patty?
Joey says that makes my heart ache. So what did he do? To be honest with you, that's where he cut the interview off. You know, social media kind of does that to you, where they just give you the juicy part and he cut off the rest of it. He never did anything because he was asking for the advice from them. So he didn't. That's where the story ends with him. But the people were telling the host of the show were telling him that she's awful for bringing this up into the marriage.
The nicest thing you can say.
Yeah. Good morning, Darlock.
Patty's like, if I'm on my deathbed, so is he.
Smooth trading and relationship advice, says Mo. And Joey says, that's why I stay single. Yeah. Yeah, you can't cheat on yourself, Joey. That's very true. You can't cuck yourself. Yeah, that was a wild one. That was a wild story. And it's just so disrespectful. But it's funny. The thing is that it's not uncommon. It's not uncommon. I mean, I actually know somebody that happened to. It's very crazy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Tori would never be unfaithful. That's cute.
Tori would never be unfaithful because Tori's not a swinger. She might be a swing trader, but she's not a swinger. I like cheating on one of the worst ways to betray someone. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Tori would never be unfaithful, says Mo. That's funny. Yeah, because a moment of pleasure and a lifetime of heartache is really what it is. It's terrible. But it's pretty crazy. Any other juicy stories that you saw on your whatever podcast? That whatever podcast is something else, man. They've got the wildest girls. It's like the new Jerry Springer.
Oh my gosh, like one guy, I don't know his name and I don't care to know his name. He was saying something like, I'm okay with my girl being with other guys, but she comes home to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good one there, buddy.
Okay.
Good one.
Okay.
I'm okay with my girl being with other guys as long as she comes home to me. Yeah, said no one ever. Said no one in their right mind.
Yeah, it's just like I miss the old days, like monogamy.
Traditional relationship.
Yes.
I mean, I to be honest with you, this stuff has existed forever. It just was like it was very taboo back in the day. But now it seems like it's almost to the point where like celebrities and other people glamorize it. Yeah, but that's what happens when you have a lot of money. It kind of corrupts your mind.
It does.
Yeah, you kind of like.
Devil.
Yeah, it does, right? Corrupts people so much because they don't get pleasure out of the simple things anymore. They have to keep with new extremities and extremities, just like the alcoholic or the drug addict who doesn't get high off of the same amount anymore. They need something new. That's why I see a lot of these guys going for like, other guys or becoming PDF files, all those things, because they just don't get the excitement from what should excite you anymore.
Yeah, that's true.
Who knows?
I miss the days when guys used to ask girls to be their girlfriends and like do it in a cute way.
Yeah.
And like romances there.
Yeah. What is that trade on my screen? This is the trade that I told my wife to put on. I told her to take one off at 240 and then one off at 320. We'll see if it hits. If it does, we congratulate.
It's gonna hit. Be positive.
When it does hit, my wife will have a very nice day,
today,
and she'll probably call it a day there, and our relationship advice will be over.
Patty says she's gonna play the song for NQ.
Yeah, Patty's gonna play the song for the NQ.
And I'm just getting violent with NQ, so there's a difference.
Yeah.
I promise I'm not violent, but I can be.
I mean, every Dominican's violent. You can't say you're not violent.
Oh my goodness, yeah, I was gonna say. I was gonna say the term Hispanic is Hispanic.
His panic. Yeah. Well, Johnny just got into another trade right now.
That's good.
Johnny's on the trade long right now.
Oh, another one?
Yeah, he went long
okay,
again.
Yeah, because it went to the.
Yeah, his next TP is up at 593. So we'll see, Johnny. Just make sure you use protection, Johnny.
So every
use
time
protection.
Lulu says Johnny, I always think about Johnny Go. Johnny.
Use
go,
protection,
Johnny,
buddy.
go. Come on, man. Don't take your sweet time. Yeah.
Okay. We'll see. Thing about these bots and these algorithms is that they have no emotions. They could care less if they wreck you or make you $1 million. They do not care.
I'm not gonna lie though. Sometimes I wish we didn't have emotion.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
All right, let's see if we get somewhere here. The spiciness has paid off so far. Good for you and Patty.
Joey says he wants to be a robot.
Who does? Joey? I want to be a robot? Yeah. Robot Love. I think there was a song called Robot Love, wasn't there? Was there a song called Robot Love? I think so. Or Computer Love?
Okay.
There was a Computer Love
I
song.
want to ask this question and I hope nobody gets upset. But what do you think was the best time, the 80s or the 90s?
I've asked this plenty of times and people
You
are...
have?
Yeah, there was a lot of votes for the 90s.
Uh-huh.
More than the 80s, I think. But,
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Patty, you just said the 90s? Yeah, but also why? Why do you think that? Joey said the 2010s.
Joey's a baby. Joey's like 20 years old. So Computer Love is a real song, which I've heard that one before. That's a great song.
Oh, that's
from
true.
1981. 1985, I think that's the one I heard.
Oh, that's true.
Computer World, okay. And the Robot Love was a song too.
Patty said the 90s because there was less hate in the world, which is true.
Yeah, because Bill Clinton was in office and he was getting all the love. He was getting his love.
And it was before 9/11.
Yeah, 9/11 changed a lot of things.
Yeah, there was hardly any internet. Remember, phones were just coming out like that.
Yeah, it was hard to ignore your.
Like we were still outdoors.
Yeah, it was really hard to ignore other people at that time.
Yeah.
Or ignore your responsibilities. Yeah, kids actually played outside back then. I remember.
Yeah,
And
like your punishment. Like your punishment or being grounded was being inside the house. And nowadays we're punishing our kids by going out the house. And I'm like, what?
Yeah, that's crazy, right? How that works. Your punishment is going outside, and before your punishment was staying inside.
Yeah.
That's so crazy. I just thought about that. You're right about that.
That's sad.
That is so weird.
It's like right now, and Q's trying to punish us. Like, stop messing with me, man. Exactly. Wow, this thing is confident it's going to the 500s.
What's that? The indicator?
Johnny.
Yeah. He thinks it is.
Robin?
It's just, you just never know when. It could take all day to get there.
Let me know when you do it, and then.
Talking to me?
No, Patty. She's gonna make the song.
Oh.
So that's why let me know when she
Yeah.
makes it. She's gonna make a.
It's probably going to be, watch it be like her claim to fame after
Watch
she
it be
makes
a
it.
rap.
Watch it be like a real thing that blows up.
Yeah.
That's usually how things happen. Like, you just don't expect it. Like the Haktua girl, like she was just being herself, being stupid, and she became famous because of it. And now she made a meme coin that made Mo and myself very rich and very powerful.
Oh man.
30-minute looks ridiculously strong. I think we're gonna get that push to 320 at some point, but who knows when. Yeah, guys, hit the likes if you wouldn't mind. Give us some love here also on the on these little emojis that pop up here, little hearts and the 100s. Let's take a poll here.
Listen. My husband hates it when I do this thing, like he hates it when I clap my hands together, when I put my hands together when I'm talking, especially when I'm mad. I don't know if this is like a hood thing from growing up, but every time I'm annoyed or something, I start talking with my hands and like clapping it together. He's like, "Can you stop?" Sorry, it's maybe it's not even the hood. Maybe it's just a woman thing. Exactly.
You're not a seal.
By the way, we gotta get Handsome to try on the Life Vest.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna do that the other day, but it started raining.
Alright, man, you've had your fun. Now can you stop? It's
You're
what?
so close. You're so close. So we're close to overnight highs here. So is the ES is getting real close to hitting its targets. ES already took out its overnight high.
I'm like,
NQ has
that's
not.
kinda true, though, yeah.
NQ has not, yeah.
John sent Patty a post
Uh-huh.
of like how to kidnap Patty, and guess what the post was? Like a van of what?
What?
Like, you know how with kids, like if you have a van of candy,
Oh,
like what do you think Patty, like people, someone would kidnap Patty for? Like what would the van have?
what would the lure be? Is it gonna be either designer bags or shoes?
No, babe. It's not designer bags or shoes.
I don't know. What?
Yorkies.
Oh, Yorkie poodles. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, no, not poodle.
Yorkies. Yeah, just Yorkies. Yeah. Yeah. She would go crazy for Yorkies. Cause they do that to kids too. They're like, "Hey, kid, want to play this puppy?"
She said that designer bags and shoes might also get her in there.
Yeah. You were all shocked. See, I know your friend better than you.
Yorkies.
Yeah.
What would get me in there?
You? Junk food? Sushi?
Maybe not sushi, but that's a good question. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, probably food.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask the chat.
Yeah, if there was a truck that was gonna kidnap you guys, what would be the thing that would lure you in?
What would get you into a stranger's van? Let me ask. That would be crazy.
Money truck. Joey says money truck. Funny. I was gonna say, where's Samby? Samby is also very funny.
Yeah, Pecos is really funny too. I don't know where Pecos is at. It's hiding out.
Bulldog puppies. Oh, that's so cute.
Bulldog puppies?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good question. I don't know what would lure me. I think food, but that's just my take. Because I love food.
One truck.
Really? That's your favorite thing? Yeah. Oh. Okay. I think it's because I have them so often. Because Lewis's mom does it a lot. So I'm like, I'm not that crazy about it. But Heidi said empanadas would also get her.
Empanadas? Yeah, empanadas are really good.
Sorry, Lunar. Okay, you gotta move though. You're gonna fall. Okay. I would probably say dogs. Like maybe a German Shepherd.
A German
Or golden
Shepherd?
doodles. I really like golden doodles. They're cute. I'm not kidding. My dream dog is a German Shepherd. Okay, sorry, girl.
All right, she's pushing. She's back up into the 200s.
Exactly.
I'm sure my wife's got some choice words for the NQ if it doesn't do what it's supposed to.
I don't think you'd want to hear what I'm thinking of.
Yeah, I think the price action is going to dry up pretty hard here after noon because tomorrow is a holiday, so a lot of people are probably going to take off after lunch.
Oh.
So if you get his TP here at 320, I think you and Patty could probably call it a day. What would lure me into a stranger's van? That's a good question. First thing that comes to my mind is like 80s and 90s video games.
Yeah. That or free gym equipment. No, I'm just kidding.
Free gym equipment?
I don't know. You love working out.
Yeah.
See, it's hard. Yeah. What's it called?
Imagine they said like a
Patty said a
wig?
bunch of foreclosure notices.
foreclosure notices. That's true.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for someone to say a wig, a men's wig or something. All right. She's taking the scenic route. NQ has a way of doing that. 30 minutes still looks pretty strong now, as long as it can keep this structure. Huh? Mute.
Oh, come on. Like, come on, man. You keep going the same way. Go up. Exactly like Joey says, push. I swear my dog literally took half the chair I'm sitting on.
Good thing you have a big chair.
Just to sit on it, just to sleep on it. It's so funny.
Looks like NQ is going to be playing those games today.
She's been very clingy with me lately. Yeah.
We knew that 280 trick was going to happen. It sure did.
I agree with Joey, this market's crazy. No, but we really thought it was gonna go all the way up there. Oh, okay.
They're using
Whatever.
the overnight high.
Alright, it is what it is.
You took it?
No, it took me
Oh,
out.
oh, you broke hit break even? It hit your break even?
Huh?
It hit your break even?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're still in profit, so I'm not mad at it.
Okay. It uses that overnight high as like bait
Yeah.
to get people to hold on, and then it goes against them. Right. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it just goes. Get ready to maybe. You want to take any more trades, or are you good?
Let me take one more.
All right. I'll tell you if it's gonna end up looking like it goes higher. Oh yeah, it looks like that's all I wanted.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like that's all I probably wanted. But at this point, I don't want to assume too soon. Just give it a minute. She could play some games here. Yeah, this market is expect the unexpected with the NQ always. Expect the unexpected. She's a troll. You might want to try going long again.
Okay.
The only issue here is that if this does break the VWAP again, it's probably going to start playing some games. So, in my opinion,
Don't.
a stop at like 72. Oh yeah, look, you went long already?
No.
No? All right, just hold on. Let's see what it does here. Because that looked strong for a second and then it just became a doji candle. She may try to sweep again. Just give it a second.
Yeah. Not gonna lie though, I do think it's gonna go up there.
Yeah, I mean the overnight high is there, so there's liquidity there for it. But a lot of times it does use that as bait to keep people going long.
Mm-hmm.
And because the ES already took out its overnight high, but the NQ has not. We'll just be patient and wait.
Good morning, Matt.
1017.
Seven blue? I think the nearest one is like maybe an hour away from us. I think so, because my sister showed me Seven Brew and their coffee is really good. And I tried looking for it here. Hold on. The closest one is in Port Charlotte, that's far. So. Really? I'm shocked. That's crazy. I didn't know that. I didn't know you didn't like it. We have one called Roadies.
It said Johnny took a short.
That one's not bad. That
Hope
one's
he doesn't
really
get
good.
bottom
It's
ticked.
different from Starbucks.
Hopefully the bot does not get
I think that's one also is far
bottom ticked.
from us. Yeah, the closest one is like 45 minutes away. Oh, wait. 50 minutes away, sorry. You're saying the coffee's better there? Oh, really? I'm gonna tell my sister, because every time, like, because her and I have, like, I don't want to say a coffee addiction, but we kind of do. So, we'll get each other into, like, other coffee spots. Like, she got me into Seven Brew. I'm not saying I got her into Starbucks, but the different types of
Come on, Johnny.
drinks there, yeah. Or I'll tell her
Come
about,
on,
like,
Johnny.
a coffee shop by her place or shit. Like, it's just always recommendations.
Come on, Johnny.
Unless we're all coffee addicts. Oh, you're so cute when you stretch like that. Babe, look at this.
Yeah.
No, look, she's like with her arms like all around. She's so cute. Is it finally stopping the... I guess my term is tease?
Is it done with the teasing yet?
Yeah.
Not just yet. I don't think just yet.
Okay.
I think it's trying to lure people to get into the long, but I think it has a little more dumping to do.
Okay.
Just be patient, and I'll tell you when I think it's better. Johnny's in a short. He's about to TP.
Sure, I thought it was
No,
long.
yeah. Well, that's a different
Oh, okay.
strategy. Okay, it's up. It's green. Está verde. Está verde. What's up, Mathis Mill? Rumo, what's going on? NQ now. Short in Q, says Rumo. Dump, says Joey. Going good. Small red day here so far. Yeah, those days happen. Those days happen here and there. NQ still looking for a possible pop at some point. I'm not sure when though. Could be coming up soon. Right now, it looks like she might be going for that. She might be going for that overnight low before she goes for the overnight high. That's the way he's looking. More ass power sure looks like it wants the downside right now. It's pretty dumpy. She might get a quick pop here at some point. She might get a pop. What a dump. So we're about to get stopped out. Johnny's about to get stopped out.
Yeah.
That's a big stop loss, Johnny. That's a big loser you got there.
Well, that stinks.
Yeah, he got stopped. Market is pushing down towards those 800s. Looks like they want the overnight low now instead of the overnight high. That is a big loser there, buddy. If it is a supply zone, yeah, looks like it's gonna go straight there. Johnny went red on the day on me.
Can you imagine I went long?
Yeah, well, they have the overnight low there still.
Yeah.
Yeah, who would have thought? Who would have thought? The market was going to turn around at 290 and go to the overnight low instead. Yeah, that's just stuff that the NQ does. It's the most unlikely thing is what she'll do.
Yeah.
So you always got to prepare yourself for that. So you could end up selling off too. The rest of the market was looking pretty weak here today. The mags were looking weak. Might be a sell-off day. Nvidia also kind of giving most of it back. Bitcoin's the only strong thing in the market. Who would have thought? That, and I think oil might be making a move. Well, it was at one point. Gold also. She's going right to the TP here on the MOAS. She's going right to it.
Sorry.
Looks like the NQ is getting into oversold territory here. We will see if she gets a pop.
Good morning.
Soundhound is up, says Monster Crawler. 50 ATR, yeah, the ATR jumped quickly. 1 and 3 minute oversold. Yeah, they are. Dumperoni coming in, right?
What, babe?
A Dumperoni came in.
Dumperoni.
Yeah, she really did though. Like no jokes aside, like how much did she come down here?
Yeah,
Almost
girl.
almost 400 points just to prove a point.
Dang.
This would be like, you thought I was going for the overnight high. You thought. But no, I was not. It was just a joke. It was just a joke. Right now, if we find support, at this point, I think it would be a very bad slap in the face because she would have then missed the overnight low on both the NQ and the ES. The ES has an overnight low way lower than where she is right now. So I believe it's probably going to find some support soon. Maybe the NQ takes out the overnight low, but the NQ does, but the ES doesn't, or maybe they both start to dump pretty hard. Who knows? They got a pretty nice sell-off there going on in the 5 minute on the ES. Things gonna start getting pretty dumpy. Probably end up getting a smack down to overnight low here pretty soon. I think it's possible. SpaceX may have bottomed. It tried to flush at open and recovered again. Gold is up today. Yeah, I see. Let me see SpaceX. Yeah, they tried. Oh, SpaceX looks kind of weak still.
I'm shocked it's staying there.
What is, baby?
Down there.
Oh, it'll end up popping at one point or another.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
ES is looking real heavy right now. I don't know what ES is up to, but things looking pretty dumpy. All right, here goes the TP on the MOAS power short. I should have been open to taking that. Yeah, let me try to initiate a pump here right before the overnight low. Go long here, babe.
Okay, hold on, Patty.
And I'll tell you, put your TP at 69
TP at 69. Okay.
and put your stop at 876 or 889. This is probably better.
Put your stop at 889.
Okay. And I'll tell you if I think you should get out sooner.
And your TP at 69.
It's a little too soon here to take this long normally because we haven't hit the overnight low. But I think they're going to try to lure some buyers in here to go long and then turn it around on them prior to the VWAP. Could. It's an idea. Just an idea.
Love it.
It's just an idea. Oh, what's up, Catalina? How you doing, baby?
Oh,
May God bless you guys this week. She's so cute. You're so cute, mama. I love you. How you doing? How was your day? First 69, second TP always 420, says Matt as well. Yeah, we're trying to see if we can get a little pump here on this move. Just a little one. Nothing out of this world.
Oh, come on.
No, looks like she doesn't want to. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, no. Maybe next one.
Alright.
Maybe the next one.
Yeah.
She's a dirt ball.
Do you want to kick me out the chair?
My mistake.
It's okay, man.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This thing is golden hair.
Yeah, this thing wants to flush.
Mm-hmm.
Wants to absolutely flush. Funny, the NQ and the ES are on two different planets right now. I mean, the ES is going down as well, but not as much as the NQ. We got targets down here on the NQ 77, 766 and 740. What a move.
This one is so funny.
Are you green or red?
I'm down by 58.
Mm.
And Patty's down by 104. How are you down more than me? Oh, you're over me now? Okay. Oh, my dog's over me now. Oh, so cute. Yeah, she is over me. I swear if Lewis had a chair, she'd be there all the time. Oh, so cute. Oh, love when their faces get like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Callahan. So cute. So adorable. Liz hates it when I make that voice.
It might be one of those give it back Thursdays because there's no trading tomorrow. It could be one of those days where she just dumps and people are taking profits.
Oh.
Could be. We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah, she just missed the TP there at the 760s. She'll probably come back for that. Go along with two.
Go along with two? Go
Yeah.
along with two, Patty.
Take
Thank
one,
you.
take one off at take one off at 911.
Oh, 9/11?
Yeah, take one off at 911.
Okay. What, the other one's just gonna run?
Mm-hmm. Put your stop loss at 790.
But the other stop loss at 790.
Let's see if they get a little.
You sure?
Yeah, because I don't want you to be in this any longer than you have to if it's gonna not go right now. Yeah, it's not gonna go right now. Is it? Got a chance. No. Yeah.
Dang it!
No. No. Short it. Yeah, short it. This is
I
gonna.
still have one.
Yeah. You still have one on?
Yeah, you said two.
Yeah. So put a stop loss at that last low that you made because it's probably gonna.
No, because it's still there.
You still have one long. Close it, babe.
What are you talking about?
Close it.
Close the loan?
Close your long. Yeah.
Okay,
So
never
it
mind.
says-
Close it, Patty. Diache.
So I said you put your stop loss at 790. What do you have?
Because
No.
you said two.
Well, then you put two stop losses too. Okay.
Then we had to
Go
put
short.
it twice.
Don't do anything now. Okay. Don't do anything. Did you close it?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see about what's going on here.
Because when you redo it with one contract,
Mm-hmm.
you have to put it twice.
Yeah,
and
you
as
do.
we were putting it, it already took us out.
Yeah. Okay. There's no bouncing. There's no bouncing on this. Mhm.
Yeah. I just put mine in and it already took me out.
Yeah. Maybe this next one will bounce here. Yeah, that's all it was. Now go long with 2.
Okay, now go along with 2.
Let's see about this one.
We don't put anything.
Put your stops, both stops. Okay. At 750.
Put the stop at 750.
Okay. Put 1 TP at 880.
Hold on. Put 1 TP at 880.
Oh, come on with this. Are you serious? This is going to be a dump fest? It's probably going to be a dump fest.
Oh my goodness, enough with the bipolars and hurry up.
Yeah, sellers are just becoming super dominant here.
Oh man.
After you hit 880, move your other one to break even, okay?
Okay. After we hit the 880, move the other one to break even. The other stop. Bruh.
The big if.
Mm-mm. Dude.
It's just a huge sell-off now at this point.
That's what I'm saying. Like, whenever there's like holidays or there's something coming up.
It's always this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Not even a pop. Not even a small pop. Are you crazy right now? You ever stop in place, right?
Huh?
You ever stop
Yeah,
in place?
I have both of them there.
Yeah.
Did you put both there, Patty, by the way? The stops? Okay. Oh, come on.
Yeah, it's not done. It's just
I'm
gonna be a
done for the
complete
day.
sell-off.
I'm done.
This is gonna be a complete sell-off.
That's what I'm saying. Whenever there's a holiday,
Yeah.
usually the day before or day of, is always something with this
Mhm.
thing. Alright. Have your day. Have your day in Q.
Yeah, this is stupid.
Like,
Yeah, you blew your
I'll
eval,
talk-
Joey? Damn, that
I'll call
sucks.
you later. Alright, love you.
This is just crazy.
Yeah, bye, everyone. Hopefully you guys have a better trading day.
Better day.
Yeah. Hold on.
All right, both of these targets got hit now. I should have probably just waited for both of them to get hit, but I did not. Johnny is on. Oh, your screen? All right. You turned off. You turned off your mic? Okay. Me? I'm not trading. Mm-hmm. No. It's an eval. It's an eval. Just leave your station open. Now it wants to go. That's crazy. Now she wants to go. Crazy move to the downside here with no bounce. What's up? Uh-huh. Crazy move. Damn, man. No bounce, no bounce. Okay. What is she doing here? Stuck at the overnight low. Yeah, I've seen days like this where it just completely just keeps melting and melting and melting. There's little pops and then just keeps melting. Johnny's in a trade. Johnny took a trade. Let's see where he's at. He's got a small long on. check now. Your thing. Just go check your thing.
Oh, why not?
Because it fixed it for you.
Hmm?
I'll fix it.
Are you?
No, I just took a trade.
Oh, okay.
Not great, but whatever. Better than what it was. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens here with this move. Huh? Yeah, you can close it now. All right, Johnny's got to move up to 883. Let's see if he goes for him. I'd be really proud of him if he can get it. Let's go, Johnny. Make that push, young man. Bitcoin long. The heck? All right, see, he's close to break even on this trade right now. Hopefully he gets a little push up to the 880s. I think I got to go back to my strategy here of not taking a trade in a direction unless the wave is in that direction. So right now shorts are obviously stronger. Looks like Johnny might end up getting stopped out of this trade, but it's okay. It's okay. He'll figure it out. He'll come to his senses sooner or later. But it was a real sneaky trap there. Very sneaky. We'll see what they want to do here. It's possible they're just building a base here, but it looks real heavy. Market looks heavy across the board. Even the ES is looking kind of weak here. Short in the bottom is a problem too. Well, not the bottom, but the low of the day. But the wave is so stinking strong right now for sellers. Looks like Johnny's gonna get stopped here. Looks like he's gonna get stopped. And he's more likely... Is he? Are they going to give him a second chance? I doubt it. The way the structure looks right now, this looks heavy. Heavy, 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 heavy. Yeah, this looks like sellers are in complete control. I don't know if he'll get. I don't know if he's lucky enough to get saved by a tick. His TPs get missed by a tick all the time, but saved by a tick, I don't think so. Yeah, this is sell-off central today. Sell-off central. He's down 5 smackaroos right now. He's down 500 on this account. He's up on his other accounts, but this one he's down. A lot of fake outs today. Super fake outs. Oh yeah, super. Holy smokes, there've been a lot of fake outs. Day before a holiday, my wife is right. Real shady moves. We'll see. Right now they are pushing this thing down further. Super dumpy. Even gold's looking like it wants to fold over. $873. Yeah, we're heading down to Chinatown. So we're going to 460s maybe. Oh yeah, man, she's going all the way. Yeah, next level to hit is the 600s. She's going for that 600 level next. There is no stopping her right now. The overnight low didn't do it. The VWAP certainly didn't do it. She's super overextended now. Is this where she might recover? These 620s? 620s maybe? Let's see what the mags are doing. Mags went right to their target here. Oh man, look at that. 65 right on the dot. SpaceX continuing to move down. NVIDIA also dumping hard. Missing its target. The writing was on the wall for that. It's hard for me to change my direction mid-trade. When I have an idea, it's hard for me to go the other way. Oil is kind of going sideways right now, but she does have a target to the 68. Gold sideways. YM is holding up. YM's at 53,000. Is that an all-time high for the YM? It is. 53,140 all-time high for the YM. Huh. Wow. Congrats. Nice job, YM. Gold sideways. Yeah, NQ is just wandering here. Wandering to the downside. Time for a long, says Doton. Maybe, I don't know. Seems like Johnny 5 is on top of the holiday trading, maybe. He trades 4 different strategies. So sometimes he gets them wrong, sometimes he gets them right. He's trading 2 separate strategies on the NQ, one on gold and one on Bitcoin, believe it or not. So we'll see. So far, he's doing all right on some of the accounts. This account here, he's down 500 on. That is pretty violent. Yeah, I took 2 minis from 29.66 to 29.714. So you made some money. Good for you. Yeah, the ATRs are climbing right now. Back up close to 60 on the Heikanashi 1 minute candles. Joey doesn't like the NQ today. Yeah, my levels have not been getting respected a lot recently, and I don't know why. Because they get you conditioned to one thing and then they do another. What are you using? Are you using support and resistance? Are you using Tori's lines? What are you using? Looks like they're in a downward trend for sure. They look like they broke. This is what's crazy about this, is that they broke the downward channel. This is why the NQ is so crazy, and why you should have a hard time trusting her. Let me go ahead and put this on. Yeah, so she had this downward channel, broke up above it, and then finally this morning obviously broke above it, and it looked like finally we were gonna make a move back up, but then all she did is capitulate and make new lows. Crazy, unbelievable. That's why I had a hard time believing that this move was gonna be real, because we took out some room. We made a higher high. Finally, we made a higher high, but then immediately made a lower low. Pretty wild. So this might not end well. This might not end well. I don't think you should blame yourself on that, dude. I think the NQ has just been a Karen. That's crazy. Maybe now she goes for the all-time highs after doing that crazy swing she just did. That would make sense, right? Oh, he said Johnny took a trade. He took a long. Johnny went long again. This guy's a savage, man. He has not learned. I thought robots were supposed to be smart. I thought you were supposed to be smart, Johnny. Johnny says he likes pain. Am I Brazilian? No, but my daughters are half Brazilian. Should have kept those minis. Wow, yeah. Johnny reading the tea leaves. I don't know. You got to give Johnny a DLL. Kind of does have a DLL. He kind of does. But the problem is today the ATRs are so big. So I experimented with a DLL on Johnny. I did some back testing on a DLL, and a DLL actually hurts the performance versus help the performance, believe it or not. That's why prop firms give you DLLs, because they know it's more likely to hurt your performance than help it. So I back tested it with different levels of DLLs, and every single amount that I tried all came back as being detrimental to the strategy versus helpful, because 75% or 80% of the time he recovers from a drawdown. So if you factor that into consideration, yeah, you'll have a big losing day one day, but the other days that you would have locked in losses would have been recovered most of the time. So it's not as easy as you really got to look at the numbers, because in theory it sounds like, oh yeah, great, give it a DLL. Maybe for us that's a good idea because we're humans and we can't control our emotions a lot of times. I know I can't, but being that he doesn't care whether he wins or loses, a DLL actually hurts him versus help him, if that makes sense. What's up, Sam B? Hope everyone is green. And Tool, that lovely ride on the short. Yeah. That lovely ride on the short. I'll talk about it after 12. Okay? Maybe today. Yeah, your shorts are like non-stop right now. This is definitely a short squeeze, long squeeze. Not a short squeeze, a long squeeze. Huh? It's a long squeeze, yeah. I've seen these before. Yeah. Short every pop. I thought you said that this was in the morning. You said that this is a Trump market. Don't short it. I was confused, man. That's why I went long, because of what you said. So now I'm only taking longs. Take it. Bye, baby. Yeah, I got crushed, dude. I took your advice. The key is to not lose all your money on days like this and survive these days. Yeah, surviving is important. Joey, you have a new picture for your, what's it called? Your profile? Is it still Jerome? He's got a new hat. Who is that, Joey? Is that Warsh? Is that Kevin Warsh? What's up, Levolution? You're shorting your wife, your house, your children. I'm short on life. That's funny. You got Warsh in like a tropical hat. That's so funny. The traps are abundant today. You're short on money for evals? Thanks, Mathis Mel. Appreciate it. Today traded 10 minis all day. I'm up 2,500. Nice, man. We get to the 250 today, Con? Nice, man. That means we'll probably start making some money here on these trades soon. Johnny just got caught up in this trap here. I get it, Johnny. I get it. It's not easy to read sometimes, especially when there's so much showing divergences and bullish patterns, and it just keeps going. It keeps going. Yeah, but it is dumpy. She is pretty dumpy. Can't buy bounce today. He's about to get stopped here soon. Or Johnny. Hopefully his circuit board, his motherboard doesn't get fried. Is that what's happening? Every pop is getting sold? I was confused about that. I think that's what is happening. 5 minute looks terrible on ENQ. 30 minute looks horrible as well. Every little insignificant pop is getting demolished, like Khan said. $685 is your sell order limit. No, he's trading evals. I haven't put him on real money yet. He's got to earn his way there. He's got to earn his way there. If he passes his evals, he can start trading a real account. But I haven't moved him. I haven't graduated him up to live like my cash brokerage account yet. Yeah, we should go long right now. Mo is right. Mo is right. Looks like money is coming out of tech and back into Bitcoin, to be honest with you. Money's flowing back into Bitcoin out of tech. We're going to have rotation right now. We're getting a big rotation. Can't go down forever, says Mo. And Joey says it can and it will. Oh, that's hilarious. What is she to do here? Is she going to give us a little pop for Johnny, or is she going to just start trampling on his little robot heart? Don't hurt Johnny like that. Don't do it. NQ, you are not to be trusted. NQ cannot be trusted, guys. I started to trust her, but she had other plans. Bless his little robot heart. It's not easy being a robot, guys. Oh, but she is getting real heavy, man. Wow, what a dirty sell-off this morning too. They made it look like it wanted to go to overnight high, and then they just reversed it. 180'd it. And they're like, oh, you thought. Rotation into Chinese stocks, that too, right? That too. Oh man, yeah, Chinese chip makers probably. NQ, no disassemble. That's funny though, Tom. Oh, Johnny might still get his little TP here. That was could be possible. NQ, no disassemble. That's funny. SDOT stock today. You want to see something dirty? Look up SDOT stock. Let's do that. Let's take a look at SDOT. You down with SDOT? Yeah, you know me. Let's see. SDOT Group, Nasdaq. Let's check it out. Oh, that is pretty dirty. 930. We had a ripper, then a dumper. Wow, that's pretty big. That's a huge move. That's a 40% dump. 50% dump. That's a 50. Yeah, lost 50% of its value in one day. Sure did. 50% of its value in one day. That is very true. That is a dumper. It's a dumper. Johnny 5 alive. Nvidia is just, whew, man, Nvidia, what happened to you? You look like a kid. You look like a children's slide at the playground, like wee, like a little guy just going down the hill. Wee. What about Mag 7? Is she making an attempt? Mag 7's trying to bounce off here, off the 65. Trying is the word, but we're bleeding right now. Nvidia's down 1.4. Google's down 9.7. And Apple's up big still because they're dealing with the Chinese manufacturers right now. They're the only thing holding up the market's Apple, Microsoft slightly, Amazon. Tesla's down almost 7%. Meta's down 4%. Wow, the chip makers are getting crushed. And I think it's all on the back of this Apple news. Apple wants to start using chip makers out of China. And Meta is selling extra storage on their for AI or their for compute. So that's also dragging down things like you got things like MU and SanDisk and all these memory drive companies. So who knows, man? What's up, baby? Nene?
Remember that card that I got, the business card that I got from that guy at Chase?
Maybe.
Well, I can't find it.
Okay. No, I don't remember it, baby. Sorry. Rotation into sports gambling apps. That too. Right now, Robinhood is doing really well today. He's having a great day, along with a lot of other brokerages. So, looking for that to take profits soon. Tory trend lines pushed down, says Sam B. Yeah, it might just happen. Come on, Johnny. Push for Johnny, NQ. Push for Johnny. My wife's been making me watch Love Island pretty much all week. So I'm going to make her watch all my 80s movies, and Johnny 5 and Short Circuit's going to be one of them. I'm going to watch her watch Short Circuit. I'm going to have her watch the other movie with those little flying robots. What is the name of that movie? What is the name of that movie where there was this little flying robots that lived in the neighborhood in New York? I forget the name of that movie. You guys know what movie I'm talking about back from the 80s? There's a famous actor in it. And there was these little flying robots. They're like little spherical robots. Like, what was the name of that movie? I think it was the same actor that was in Cocoon was in that movie too. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Mo and Joey are too funny. You remember the movie, but you can't think of the name? Were they aliens? I think they might have been aliens. The little round spherical. Let me ask Grok. What was the name of the movie from the 1980s where there were little spherical flying robots that appeared in a neighborhood in what seemed to be like Brooklyn, New York? I think the same actor from this movie was also in Cocoon. Batteries not included. That's the one from 1980. Yeah, batteries not included. That was it, Mo. No, that was Penny. Penny, thank you, Penny. Batteries not included. I'm gonna make her watch that movie too. Batteries not included. I'm gonna make her watch. Short Circuit. We need that STC that doesn't need premium. Yeah, I'm gonna have it ready this weekend, Joey. I love that movie. Yeah, that movie was amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna have it ready this weekend. I'm very close to finishing it up. I'll probably finish it up today, to be honest with you. Riffing in the nostalgia. I love nostalgia. I love nostalgia movies. There's a guy here who comes and trades with us. His name is Nostalgic Cinema. He'll tell you all about it. Nostalgic Cinema. Man, this thing's dumping again. Johnny's about to get his robot face ripped off. Don't be doing Johnny dirty like that, MQ. Not to get him a new motherboard if you do. throw him a little bone. Give him a little bone. 900. Yeah, a little 900 bone. Give him that little 900 bone. Come on, NQ. Yeah, gotta make her watch all short circuits. Oh, yeah, there was more than one. I forgot about that. There was more than one short circuit. There was short circuit 1, short circuit 2, and I think short circuit 3. I forgot about that. Oh, man. He came back better than ever every time. I think it was 3 of them, or was it 2 of them? It might have been only 2. Ryan Hunter? Was that his name? Oh, no. Ryan Hunter's here. Killed it on the shorts today. Nice, Ryan. Congratulations, brother. You know how to pivot. Man, Johnny's not going to get his TP here. It's looking pretty dreary for the poor robot. Small loss on my sell limit. 1K loss. Thank you for your honesty, Sam B. Looks like market is trying to rebound just a little bit. Just a little bit for Johnny maybe. All right, let's see if we can get this pop. Nice. Nice. Go. Go for Johnny, baby. And Bitcoin's pumping today. He also does have a trade on Bitcoin open right now. His trade on Bitcoin right now. His trade on Bitcoin is to the upside. He almost took profits on it. But he's got his little diverse portfolio of assets he's trading. Not correlated. One thing about Johnny's trading is I am going to have to switch him over to limit orders only, man. Because the slippage on market orders is probably going to cause more of a problem. So we may sacrifice some trades, but I think the entries he's getting slipped pretty bad. Sam B, when you want to come back on, brother? I'm trading gold better than M&Q. Yeah, I could see that. What's your target since a single day gain on a single day loss out of interest? Not that it matters. Dr. Copper? To be honest with you, I would say it's not so much a dollar amount, but I gave myself rules that they would be lost trades. So 3 lost trades in a row, or 3 lost trades on the day. That means I'm done trading. Today I'm not really trading any accounts. I'm just letting Johnny do the work, and I try to help my wife a little bit, and might have got her in a little hot water, but I helped her get out of it, so she's fine right now. But it would be 3 trades for losses, and for profit. As far as profit goes, it depends if I'm trading an eval or if I'm trading fundeds. Fundeds, I look to lock in at least $200 to $200 a day is like what I'm looking to lock in at least, and especially if I'm copy trading. If I'm trading a live account, like a real live account, like my own cash and everything, I really don't have a set limit. Like if I'm trading well and I'm reading the market well, I'll keep trading. And then after I take 1 loss, then I'll stop. So if I'm on a heater, I'll just keep going. Yeah, slippage can be the difference between profitable and not over a long time frame. Exactly right, Mathis Mail. That's why I'm thinking that we're just going to have to sacrifice some trades. That sucks because I know some of them would definitely run without coming back to enter the limit. And those are probably the best ones. But I'm seeing almost every trade get slipped bad. Real bad. Like 10 points here, 20 points there. 100 points on Bitcoin. Like it's pretty bad. You want 805, Sambi? Go, Johnny. Johnny, go, Johnny. Go. You don't get why the market's so volatile recently? A lot of reasons, I'm sure. One of them has to do with new Fed chair. We got the war going on with Iran. We've got inflation running its course. We've got the whole AI thing going on. There's a lot of things compounding. We may have some money leaving AI and going over to Chinese stocks, So who knows? Who knows? The rotation, man. Might be a rotation, or maybe it's just a fluke, maybe a week, and then go back to normal next week. Get the Mag 7 pumping to all-time highs again. It took me 8 seconds after it went past my stop price before it went through. So you got slipped too. Anybody who obeys Mo and went long won. Took margin on that play too. Screen recorded. Oh, Sambi, you made some money, huh? You got your 805? Nice, man. You and Johnny are in good company. You and Johnny, man, are looking for higher prices. See if we can break back above the overnight low. That would be something. It's a cash account. That never happens before. Not like that. They did you dirty on that. How much of a loss did you take on that for going way past your stop? That's a really dirty move. I hope we don't get I hope Johnny does not get stuck here with his trade. I hope it keeps going for him just a little more. Market's very slow and weak, though. I don't think we're going to get much out of it. Okay, it's just 1 mini. You lost like 7 points on it. It still hurts. It still hurts. That's like, what, $200? Almost. 140. Extra doll hairs we didn't need to lose. Starting to get a little weak here right before the overnight low. You were down 120 on it? Okay. That's great, Jerome. Yeah, you got some a steel set on you, bro. Yeah, trading minis with your own capital, just like Sam B, man. You guys are built a little different. I was doing that for a while, but it took a lot out of me. I'll get back there though, but I just needed to understand these markets better and how they move. Maybe one day we can get Johnny to graduate to that, because I have a hard time with my discipline. Yeah, I might look disciplined here, but I really have a hard time beating myself up over stuff that's out of my control. She looking like she wanted to dump here. Damn, Johnny, she about to do you dirty again. Could it be? Could it be, Johnny? Since April 20th, you're up 116,000. No losing days, Jerome? Then we need to have you on our Discord, man. Can you come on one day and show us your style, your technique? You tilted a few of those days and got lucky? See, it just takes one of those days to give all that back, though. That's my problem. I'm not saying that you would do it, but that's where my problem lies, is that I could tilt one of those days and give back a month's worth of progress. Your technique, you can't even explain it? It's not so simple a caveman can do it? Damn. What's up, watermelon trader? Everyone can calm down. Yeah, we're worried about you. By the way, I bought a huge watermelon. I'm gonna cut that thing open today. It looks so good. Usually the watermelons you buy at the store most of the year, they're not really good, but this is watermelons season time right now, so there's nothing better than a really nice, sweet, cold watermelon, man, after you've worked really hard on your yard or something, or if you went and played sports, went to the gym, come back, man, some watermelon sounds good. Yeah, she's coming right back down. Yeah, it looks like she is coming right back down. Sorry, Johnny. I'm sorry she's doing this to you, man. What's up, Vic? How you doing, brother? How's the trucking and the trading? You should rename your channel Trucking and Trading. Trading is the true long haul. Just don't talk about papayas or you will lose white viewers. Mo remembers that. White people don't like papayas. They're definitely afraid of them. Papayas and mangoes. Man, I had a mango from our yard. Our own yard. I had the virgin mango, which is the first mango that tree has ever given us. I had it yesterday. My wife and I ate it. And I'm like, I gave it to her first. I was like, try this mango. She's like, oh, it's really good. It's really sweet. I was like, it's the first mango. You've just tried the first mango that's ever come out of our tree in the yard. She was really happy. Sorry, Jerome. The papaya thing? Or what is it that you're confused about? The difference between a good mango and a bad store mango is crazy. Yeah, it's so crazy. It's such a huge difference between store-bought fruit and the fruit that you can pick out of a farm or grow yourself. I would say even grow yourself, because even farmers, a lot of times their dirt is not very nutrient rich. A lot of it's been overworked. Therefore, you lose a lot of the vitamins and the flavor. Why don't white people not like papayas? I was telling the chat yesterday that, or it was a few days ago, I was telling the chat that my neighbors have mango trees on their front lawns, and they just let the mangoes rot. Like there's like squirrels that come and eat them, rabbits come and eat them, birds come and eat them, because they don't even pick them up. So I was telling them, I was like, I'm just doing the community a favor, and I pick them up when I see them, and they're delicious. They're so good, right? So, and they were saying that, and I was telling them, I don't know what it is about my neighbors, man. They're like, most of my neighborhood is all white people. I try to give them fruits that we grow. Like I try to give them papayas, and I go to my neighbor's house because we have so many papayas, and I'm like, hey, would you like some papayas? And like, oh, we never had papaya before. I don't. You can give us one if you like, but I don't know if we like it. I'm like, oh, just give it to you, no worries. And then I went to my other neighbor. I was like, would you like a papaya? And they're like, oh, we don't need papaya, but our healthcare providers, the ones that come and take care of a person that lives in that house, they're like, oh, they love papayas. And I'm like, oh, they're Cuban, right? So like, yeah, they're Cuban. I'm like, yeah, of course they like papayas. They're Cuban. But it just seems to me like my neighbors are just not exotic fruit fans. I mean, but no, I'm just kidding. There's white people go crazy for exotic fruit, but my neighbors for some reason do not. So we made a joke about it that white people are scared of papayas and mangoes. I'm in Oregon, so mangoes don't do so good. I do a pineapple inside once on the side of my cannabis garden. It must taste pretty special. You don't even smoke anymore, let alone grow? I might change my little good idea. My title? Oh yeah, it's a good trucking and trading, man. Kiwis rule here? Yeah, kiwis are awesome too. Kiwis are great. I have kiwis in my fridge now. But yeah, I'm sure there's nothing like the real thing because we don't grow kiwis here. I don't even know where kiwis do grow. Do they only grow in like New Zealand or something? Where do kiwis come from? I think kiwis come from Mexico, right? All I know is we don't have kiwis here. At least I don't think we do. Khan says we're going to sell every pop. Bad news for Johnny. Gold has stopped moving. No longer playing reversals? Yeah, reversals can get you wrecked. You can do Kiwi in Oregon well. Temperate works. New Zealand and Oregon have similar climates, but New Zealand is bigger and better. Shorting with the trend on a day pays a lot more. Yeah, Con, for sure. Yeah, trading against the trend is dangerous. I have these truckers getting Lucid accounts under your discount code. Oh, thank you, Vic. I really appreciate that, man. You're the man, brother. God bless you and your family, man. Thanks for helping us out. God bless you and your trucking family. Yeah, I see you trading sometimes, man. I really enjoy your videos, man. Guys, if you don't know, Vic has a YouTube channel too, so does Khan. Guys, check them out. Support them, show the love. You've been looking for more than a 5-minute chart, playing momentum as well. Less reversals. I still play reversals tough, but just like 10 to 15 points. Yeah, you just get that little pop and go. Yeah, it does happen, Con. Trading in this environment, looking for the long to go 200-300 points. The market's not in that. It doesn't seem like it's in that regimen anymore. Looks like it's now starting to squeeze longs. I've seen this playing out more and more, and range too. I could do all right on a range day, but on a squeeze day, I tend to underperform. Johnny's about to get wrecked here. Poor Johnny. Johnny's about to get wrecked. Crypto's liking the no rate hike bets now. I think they're going to have to raise the rates, man. They're going to have to. They're not going to be able to get inflation under control. At least I don't think so. I don't think so, but what do I know? Oil seems to be slipping to the downside. Oil is not doing so well right now. This should be giving the NQ a little bit of room to run, but it's not. Let's take a quick look here at the faltering Mag 7. She's just riding this level at 65 right now. We still got most of the tech here bleeding pretty bad. I'm surprised Meta's down. She had a big day yesterday. Nvidia has its little pop here, but no bueno. Bitcoin's still holding. Oil, like I said, looks like it's slipping. YM's just holding too. I think gold is also at a standstill. Super standstill. Robinhood released a bunch of cool crypto news yesterday. Probably why the boost today. Yeah, maybe that's why. Yeah. And the better Bitcoin does, the better Robinhood does too. So Bitcoin starts to get a pop. Robinhood's gonna go for a ride. I bought 717. Come on, NQ. Yeah, hopefully she pops for you. You and Johnny. Yeah, to me it looks very, I don't know, a little improbable that we're gonna get this move higher. It's very, very difficult to see this market going higher right now. We had a nasty sell-off yesterday. Another sell-off today. Market's not liking this stuff. No, I haven't bought yet, Con. I'm waiting for us to go to the 40, 50K range. Between 40 to 50K is where I was gonna start the DCA into Ethereum and Bitcoin. 29.5 says Levolution. Yeah, I have a target down there too. Yeah, 40 to 50s. Yeah, I think that's where the market needs to go to liquidate Michael Saylor. I think that's one of the targets. And I think if Michael Saylor gets liquidated, it could actually go lower than 40 to 30,000, 40 to 50,000. Because if he ends up having to liquidate in order to clear funds, that's going to be an avalanche event. That's going to be a doozy. I think he could get liquidated, and I think that's maybe what a lot of people are doing is, not people, I think that's what institutions might be doing. They're looking to, they know he's over leveraged. And whenever there's an over leveraging in the market, it gets wiped out. So he is the most over leveraged between his obligations to his bondholders, between that stretch vehicle that he created in order to buy more Bitcoin, and everything in between. He is a prime candidate for getting liquidated. He's already starting to sell now. He's already started to sell. I think he's the reason why Bitcoin's popping right now is because he's probably luring more investors into buying more Bitcoin because of right before a big drop, you get a big pop. So I think what the market's doing right now is making it look like the market's strong right now with Bitcoin, giving it a couple of days where people are like, okay, we hit the bottom. That was the bottom. And then have like a massive dump. And he'll get affected and he'll have to sell more Bitcoin probably. U.S. government needs Saylor to get out of BTC. Yeah, it's not good when the government's involved in anything, especially something like BTC. It was never meant for that. When you have so much of one asset concentrated to one person, you're a prime candidate to be wrecked. I don't think the U.S. is going to buy it. I think you got people like BlackRock and State Street who will buy it. Vanguard. Get him done with and put him in jail. I don't think he can go to jail for financial crimes. I think he might be able to go to jail for promoting the way he's promoted this stuff. Well, then I take that back. He might go to jail for making false claims, because I think he's been calling his stretch vehicle like no risk or something like that, and there definitely is a risk. I think he might have violated some SEC rule, like false advertising or something of his stretch vehicle. Doesn't look good right now for the Johnny here on this move. Johnny's about to get his motherboard short-circuited. He'll make it back though. I have faith in Johnny. He'll make it back. Market does not want to see any pops today. Nothing at all. That morning session was just a tease. He just wants to liquidate. You may cut your entry, re-enter lower, says T-Massive. Bitcoin works as a reserve currency for the crypto network and the same way that gold works as a reserve currency for the worldwide GDP. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, everything is dependent on Bitcoin. That is Johnny Dundee. That's funny. It is Johnny, man. Johnny 5. Number 5. I forgot all about the Indian guy that was in that movie. I love that Indian guy. It's going to be a tough day of price action today. Huh? Tough PA. Tough. This market has been very humbling. Let me take a quick look at what happened this morning. So she's at a really important area right now. This 75.20 area on the ES. Super important. And that's where she is right now. That's why she's getting a little bit of a bounce. I don't know if she's going to get it though. NQ's already wrecked all of its lower lows. So for the NQ, oh, the dreaded rising wedgie. Look at this. Oh, this is really bad. Yeah, we're in a, oh, I hate this consolidation pattern. It is the worst. You guys see this? I just noticed that. Oh man, this is bad. This is bad. Oh no. This is bad. Consolidationville. We're no longer in this market. This market is done with. Now we're in this market. This is going to be not smooth sailing. Definitely not smooth sailing. Wowzers. Johnny's about to get wrecked here. So sorry, Johnny. Poor little robot. Yeah, looks like oil's taking a move right back up. ES and NQ both just making lower lows. Yeah, Johnny almost got smashed there. I think he will though. I think he's gonna get stopped out soon. Very unlikely we're gonna see a rush of buyers come back in here and push this market up a few hundred points. So this could be it. This could be it. This could be the finale. Yeah, they're teasing him. They're teasing Johnny pretty hard here. I'm pretty sure they got a continuation coming. That overnight low was too much. Gold's going to be replaced on July 4th, but I don't see how that's possible. Gold's going to be replaced by what? Where's it going? Gold's been replaced already. The dollar used to be based off a gold standard, and that hasn't happened now for quite a while, since the 70s. So gold's already been replaced by nothing, by thin air. That damn thief Nixon did that to us. Repriced, I meant. Bear caught at low. Yeah, there's some trapped shorts here, but I think the shorts are just too strong. Repriced, huh? Oh, repriced, not replaced. Repriced. Oh, repriced at what though? I mean, that would take away the free market nature of an asset. How would that? I mean, the government gonna tell us how much it's worth again, like they did back in the 70s. Oh. 1 ounce of gold is like $40, like they said back then, or something like that. Yeah, shorts are still gonna come in here, still pouncing on these buyers. Sellers are crushing these buyers. is dirty, 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 dirty right now. She's dirty. Here, you guys can witness Johnny getting stopped hard here. Johnny, I'm so sorry, buddy. I'm so sorry they did this to you. We'll reprogram you today, I promise. I know what I could do to fix this for Johnny, for it not to happen to him again. I see the problem. I see what he could have done differently. Next time, Johnny, next time. You get the next one, buddy. You get the next one. We still got a very big ATR. ATR is still around 35 on the Heiken SG candles. All right, I think Johnny's gonna get toasted here. He's gonna get toasted. Toasted, roasted, and burnt to a crisp. No buyers. You can't. No, there's not enough buyers in this market. Support these prices. No bueno. No bueno here. Man, he's getting teased. Teased. What are we doing here? That was so close right there. I'm sure they're not gonna leave him though. You're coming for more, Johnny. You're coming for more. No pops here, no pops. ES just hit the overnight low. Still no pops. No pops for poor Johnny. ES still wants to sell off more. And Johnny's out. Johnny's out. Okay, guys, I have a lot to do here. Yeah, there's a lot of selling going on. I have a lot to do here, so I'm going to go, and I will see you guys possibly tomorrow. I might come on here for a little bit in the pre-market, but I do have a lot of things to work on, so I'll say a prayer and let you guys go and let you guys be. Lord, we come to you today, Father. We came to you with a gracious heart, Father. We ask you for forgiveness always, Lord, like we do. I know there's it's a hard life, Father, and a lot of mistakes we make, Father, but we always come back to you, Lord, in full circle, asking you to always look over our families and look over ourselves, Lord. Every day that we live on this earth, Father, is an opportunity for us to spread your word, Lord, and to also give you thanks and give you all the glory, Father, for everything that's we've ever been able to accomplish. I know that there's days where are difficult, Father, and I know some people here in this chat might be having a difficult day today. Maybe they're having a mental setback, Father. Maybe it's a mental issue they're having, or doubts and fear and depression and anxiety, all those things, Father, that don't come from you. Lord, we pray for that person. We pray for their families, and we pray for their financial well-being. Lord, I also pray that anybody here who's going through a really hard time with any medical conditions, Father, we pray for them and their salvation and for their families, Lord, to have comfort and to come closer to you in these dark moments, Father. I also pray that you keep us safe, Father, until we meet again tomorrow in Jesus' name. Amen. Take care, guys, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Before we go, remember, if you guys want to check out any prop firms, check out the pinned link in the chat where you can see the best prop firms I'm currently trading with and the best deals that they have right now to offer. Below that, they do have the crypto exchange that I use to trade Bitcoin with, BTCC. That is one of the best, especially for U.S. traders. You do not need to have a VPN to trade with them. They allow U.S. traders, which is really uncommon. You can use up to 250K max leverage, which is kind of crazy. I only go up to 50. And they'll give you $30 just for signing up, and you can use that to trade with if you want. So pretty simple. They'll give you up to $10,000 in bonus deposit cash, and it will also give you up to $30,000 for accrued. I'm sorry, there we go. Yeah, they'll give you up to 30K in rewards for your accrued volume as you trade in with them. So very, very nice exchange. And if you guys want to check out the indicator that I'm working with right now, it's Smooth Trader Concepts. You can get a 7-day trial for $7. And it does kind of give you a good read on the market when you want to actually follow what it says. Like right here, this short that it called out earlier today that I did not take because I was too busy babysitting alone, that I shouldn't probably been in anymore. But the direction on it is really good, and it gives you this beautiful trend and direction that shows you where the market is more likely to stay in. Really nice. You guys can also get the free version of it if you just go over to TradingView and look for the Smooth Trader Volume Toolkit. There is a light version. I am working on a version right now that will allow you to use it without TradingView Premium. So stick around for that. I'll be announcing that next week more than likely. And I think that's all, guys. I think that's everything we got. So thank you guys for tuning in today, and I will see you all maybe tomorrow morning for a little bit. I'm pretty certain that I can probably dedicate a couple hours here to the pre-market. So I'll see you guys then. Take care, guys, and God bless.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are